Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be taking down my 1 month hair. My hair is quite dusty. If you look at it, you're going to see that it has a lot of build up and dandruff, so it is quite very dry. So I need to take it down and then give myself a hair revamp. Before I get started, let me show you guys what I'll be using. So I'm going to use water and then a leave-in conditioner, of course, very important because we need some sleep into the hair because it's quite dry. If I take it out like this, I will definitely break my hair, so I don't want that. So I also brought a tail comb just in case I will need it, but I'm not sure if I'll need it. Right now my baby is sleeping and I need to take this out before she wakes up. So let's add some water. After spritzing my hair with the water, I will go in with some leave-in conditioner to soften things up. Focus more on the tip. So the reason I'm doing this is to avoid excess breakage or shedding. You guys know it's normal to experience shedding. So now we are going to take down this hair one after the other. So I'm going to use this to hold back this one. So to get out of the way, let's start by taking out this one. We have taken down the first one, so let me just gently use my hand to run through the hair to remove shed hair. So this was the shed hair that came out. Okay, mostly coming out. Okay, the second one. Notice that my hair is a bit brown. It's not as dark as it was. I don't want the video to be more than 10 minutes. Even if it's a long video, let it not be more than 12 minutes, but 10 is okay. So I'm just going to do few behind the camera and then take down the remaining one. Alright? You guys can see how easy it was to take down this hair because the hair is moisturized. It is very moisturized. It's not soft. Like the hair is soft now, so that is why it's important for you to use water and conditioner before you take down your hair. So this is the shed hair. So let me join it together with this one. My hair has been postponed for now. This young lady decided to wake up and I am not even done with my hair. Half of my hair haven't even been taken down, so I don't have any choice than to postpone.
10 hours later.
Lucky for me, her dad came around and took her, so I was able to finish the first parts of the hair. This is just me running my fingers through the hair to take out shredded hair. If you're being honest here, my hair is so full. This is someone whole head of hair on just one side of my head. I'm not even trying to brag, but it's true. My hair is full and healthy, and it also got the length. That is what you gain when you take care of your hair. That is why I say if you're looking for length, if you're looking for thickness, if you're looking for volume, start to use herbs. Incorporate herbs into your hair care regimen and you're not going to regret it. Let me quickly spray more water on the half side of my hair because it has dried up already, and then a little more leave-in conditioner to soften things up before we start to take it down. In all my years of taking down my protective style, I think this is the quickest one so far because the braids aren't so small, they are not so tiny. That is why I don't like getting mini braids. I like them chunky so I'll be able to take it out without much stress. Even though I have to struggle to lay my wig under my hair, it pays off once I'm ready to take out the hair, as you can see. My beautiful people, please permit me to take out this time to ask and plead that you guys please support me. I just opened a new channel. I just started a new channel, please. The link will be in the description. Please, I want you guys to click the link and subscribe to my new channel, please. I just have 10 subscribers so far. Please do me a favor and support me. Click the link and then subscribe to my channel. If it pleases you, please watch the videos, comment and like. If you're coming from this channel, please let me know that you're coming from this channel so I can say a big thank you to you. I really appreciate your support. Thank you and God bless you. I got a little injury on my scalp, and that is because I was scratching my scalp a little bit too hard. I don't know if you saw that, but I just hope it healed before I wash my hair because injuries and shampoo doesn't go hand in hand. I'm definitely going to be crying like a baby inside the bathroom or something. In case you're wondering why I always twist up my hair, immediately I take it out. So the reason is if you have fussy hair, you already understand what I'm trying to explain. I'm trying as much as possible to keep the hair in stretched state. If you don't twist it up, it's going to shrink back, and that will make it difficult for you to comb through or even use your finger to run through the hair. So the essence of twisting it back is to keep it in a stretched state as possible to avoid intertwining together and causing excessive breakage. So if you don't do that before now, start to incorporate it. It's really going to help you instead of taking out your hair at once and just leaving it for air to dry it up, and later you start mourning like a pregnant woman trying to push out the baby just because you are trying to comb through your hair. To my opinion, natural hair is not that difficult if you can figure out the technique. Right now, I have successfully taken out the hair completely. Just take a moment to admire my hair and to see how full it is. Like my hair is so full, I can even feel the weight on my head. Sorry you can't feel it, but I can feel it. I can feel that my hair is so thick and I'm loving it for myself. If you have watched to this point, please like, subscribe and comment. I really appreciate that. Do that for me. All right, let me quickly stretch out my hair so you can see the line. Do not be deceived, okay? You have a lovely day. Bye bye.